Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase video quality on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok application, then you need to click on profile at the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars at the top right corner. Then you need to click on settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll down and click on data saver, and then you need to turn it off. By turning it off, your video quality will be increased on TikTok. So by following these steps, you can easily increase video quality on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.